Tired of your crypto being stuck on the wrong blockchain? Let's untangle that mess and get your Binance Smart Chain tokens from Metamask over to your Phantom wallet on Solana. This guide will walk you through a couple of different methods to bridge your tokens, and in this video, we'll use a popular bridge called Allbridge. The first step to using Allbridge is to head over to their website. Make sure you are on the official Allbridge website, and be sure to double-check the URL. Now, click on the Connect Wallet buttons. You'll need to connect both your Metamask wallet connected to the Binance Smart Chain and your Phantom wallet. Metamask will likely pop up first, so sign and connect then. Do the same process for Phantom. Once your wallets are connected, it's time to select the token you want to transfer from the drop-down menu. Make sure you've selected Binance Smart Chain or BNB Chain as the source chain and Solana as the destination chain. Enter the amount of the tokens you want to move, and you'll see an estimate of what you'll receive on the Solana side, factoring in any bridge fees. Hit that transfer button. Metamask will pop up asking you to confirm the transaction, and you'll need to approve the transaction and pay the gas fees. The bridge will then take some minutes to process the transaction across chains, so please be patient. Once the transfer is complete, check your Phantom wallet, and you should see your tokens safely arrived on the Solana blockchain. Now you can trade, stake, or do whatever you want with your tokens on Solana. Remember to always double-check addresses and bridge websites for security so you don't lose any money. Happy bridging!